Hi everyone, welcome back to another Temu product review. For today's video, we're taking a look at this bracelet, and it is flashy. Take a look at that. I mean, it looks really nice in person. Like, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that looks really nice in person. I'm actually pretty impressed. Now, for this bracelet, what you do is you're going to pull up on this piece right here. The best way I say you can do it is hold it like this, so it's going to be like that, and then you just pull this piece up, and that's going to unlock this and allow you to then put it in over here. I mean, just look at that shine. That's incredible. So for placing it on, you just kind of lay it like this, and then you loop that and you just click it in place, and this is what it looks like. Now, we like playing a game. How much do you think we paid for it? How much would you pay for it? So pause the video, leave a comment saying, guessing how much we paid for it, how much you would pay for it, and then I'm going to tell you. So just leave a comment. I personally think it's beautiful. If you are a female, I mean, not to offend anybody. If you're a male, some males, whatever, wear these kind of things. So I think it's very nice. I personally do think it's really nice. So go ahead and leave your comment what you guys think. Okay, hope you got your comment locked in. We paid $3.49. Now leave another comment. Do you think that was a good deal, or was that a ripoff?